Friends, today I will show you beautiful quarters. There is bungalow in this particular section of Digboi. Okay, this is called Shillong Road. In the bungalow, one of the bungalow at which I am staying, there is number is 37, and just how beautiful it is, I am showing you. Okay, this is the entry to the bungalow from the main road. This is actually outhouse. That means the helping persons and families, they are staying here. So this is totally isolated from the main bungalow area. Okay, so there are 5 to 7 quarters here, small quarters, and this is their convenience place, bathroom. So just I am entering to the bungalow. Okay, this place is very beautiful actually. I am enjoying this very beautiful natural scene. Okay, so this is on security place. So earlier for senior people somebody were there, and this is car garage. Okay, so this is on another outhouse. There is for actually 7 quarters, and this is the main bungalow. So today the environment, this ambient is quite cloudy. So this is the bungalow. There are 3 rooms at first floor, and in the ground floor all the dining place, drawing room are available. This is the lawn, the huge lawn. I have planted some corn plants here. So this is the front view of the bungalow. So this was built by the Britishers. Earlier Britishers were staying. Indians were not allowed. Now this is the property of Indian Oil Corporation Limited. So Indian Oil officers are staying there. So this is the area of the lawn, the bungalow. Here there is a swimming pool also, but it is deserted actually. It is not maintained. Okay, and around the periphery of this area there are fencing, but wild animals, they are coming. Normally elephants used to come, but due to electrical fencing right now they are not coming. This is big lychee tree, but these fruits are consumed by the wild animals. Okay, there is one place you can farm poultry. Okay, These are all kitchen gardens. There are guava trees. There are 4 numbers of guava trees in this area. This is the back side of the bungalow. There is also some kitchen gardens types, and I have planted lots of pineapple. Okay, these are pineapple. This is the pineapple I have planted, and this is mulberry tree, big mulberry tree. Okay, very beautiful. This is the back side of the bungalow. Okay, so I am very lucky that I am staying in this particular very good place. Okay, thank you for today. Today weather is cloudy, so I think picture may not be fine as I expected. Okay, bye, good morning.